Now I'm explaining a sum on central tendency regarding median. Sum number 13. Using a suitable formula, calculate the median value from the following data. Here mid values have been given and corresponding frequencies have been given. Mid value 115, frequency 6, mid value 125, frequency 25, mid value 135, frequency 48, mid value 145, frequency 72, mid value 155, frequency 116, mid value 165, frequency 60, mid value 175, frequency 38, mid value 185, frequency 22, mid value 195, frequency 3, total 390. Now we are solving the problem. A table has been prepared to calculate median. I have made 4 columns. First column mid value, second column class boundaries, third column frequency, fourth column cumulative frequency less than. Now I'm going in details of the columns row wise. 115 mid value, class boundary 110 to 120, frequency 6, cumulative frequency 6. Mid value 125, class boundary 120 to 130, frequency 25, cumulative frequency less than 31. Mid value 135, class boundary 130 to 140, frequency 48, cumulative frequency 79. How we have derived the cumulative frequency? We have derived the cumulative frequency from frequency. When frequency is 6, cumulative frequency is 6. When frequency is 25, cumulative frequency is 6 plus 25, 31. When frequency is 48, cumulative frequency is 6 plus 25 plus 48, total is 79. Likewise, other entries have been calculated. So total of class frequency 390. Here we need this figures total only, no other figure total is required. And another thing is, we want to calculate the median, that is why n by 2 is required. N by 2 is equal to 195. N is equal to 390. N by 2 is divided by 2. 390 divided by 2 is equal to 195, which lies in 151 by 267, in between these two. And that then the figure will come definitely within the mid value 145 to 155. Formula for the calculation of median. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus f by fm into c, where L1 is equal to lower class boundary of the median class, n is equal to total frequency, f is equal to cumulative frequency below f1, and fm is equal to frequency of median class, c is equal to width of median class. And next is median is equal to 150, as L1 is 150 plus lower class boundary is about the median class 150 plus 195 minus 151 by 116 into 10 is equal to 150 plus 44 by 106 into 10 is equal to 150 plus 3.80 is equal to 153.80. Therefore, median is equal to 153.80. And also, now a point may be noted. You may go through the book Statistics Made Easy, Volume 1, written by me for reference. Thank you.